In search of keeping track of your investments? Then, here you go. Axis Direct app provides a portfolio section where you can monitor all your investments. Let's explore how to access and navigate your portfolio. Go to the Portfolio tab, which offers distinct sections including Portfolio, Holdings, Open Positions, and Today's Positions. In the Portfolio section, you can track either today's gain or the gain till date for your investments. Additionally, you have the option to review details related to your closed positions. For a more in-depth analysis, clicking on a specific stock will provide you with the trade history for that particular stock. Moving on to the Holdings section, you can conveniently access your demat holdings for both mutual funds and equity scripts. Furthermore, this section also facilitates you to either pledge or hold shares as per your requirement. Once the shares are pledged, there is a designated section where you can conveniently monitor all of your collateral shares. T1 holding refers to unsettled holdings. This section provides visibility into stocks that are in the process of settlement and have not completed the transfer to your account. Further, the section's Open Positions can be viewed to check all current open positions, whereas Today's Positions, you have the ability to review both open and closed positions for the day. You can manage to view the details by using the different sorting and filter options. Managing and tracking investments is this easy on Axis Direct app. Explore the portfolio on Axis Direct app and keep tabs of your investments seamlessly.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage shall not exceed SEBI prescribed limit.